I'm Marc Fernandes from Schaumburg, Illinois, and the reason I'm here is because this is my summer internship at Uzoorba, and then what we did here is mostly just we made robotics kits, 6 of them for schools, and we fixed up 20 Raspberry Pi computer installations to help with CS education in the village towns in Goa. Throughout school and most of their life, most people believe that education is something important and something that every child should have, since it helps create a prosperous and well-functioning society. But the thing is that not that many people get a chance to help, like provide education to people in places that don't really have great access to it. So it was really a great honor at this internship to help provide the CS education to school kids here in Goa. So it's been great to seize this opportunity and actually for once act on my ideals. And not only have I just acted on my ideals, I've also helped hundreds of kids here on the island of Shara gain like modern technology and access to top of the line CS education.